So I'm gonna try some backwoods engineering here.
It works.
Okay, we're back, and it's time to get this old, really old garage door opener removed. So let's get started. All right, so I've already started something over here. I pulled the keeper out of there. Now it's no longer attached to the door. Of course, I will save that. I have no choice. I'm a Gen Xer. I save everything. So now it's disconnected. Now we need to go up here and take a look at what's going on. First thing, unplug and take out my light bulbs. Okay, those are out. Now there are some wires up here. These ones right here are for the safety sensors on the door. We don't need those because I'm going to replace them. I'll just clip those off. All right, that's out of the way. Now, these other wires right here, these are for the button on the wall. I just dropped my clippers, but I'm going to replace that as well. So get those out of there. Okay. Next thing I gotta do is I gotta take these two bolts out here, that one and this one, and then lower this down and then take out the bolt up there, and that'll drop everything down. So let me reposition. All right, right up here by the ceiling, I'm gonna take these out. Okay, got that. All right, so I got those, how do we do this without falling down? Got the nuts off the bolts. I might need to take that cover off. Let's see if this helps us out. Don't need that no more. Okay, so everything's unplugged, everything's safe. I just gotta get these bolts out. That's one, that's two. We'll lower it down. Well, besides there being a lot of cobwebs up here, yeah, I can clip these wires off. I need to get that. Is that a bolt? It is a bolt. Looks like a 7/16. Yep. right here. Look at that cobweb. There's everywhere up here. Got to get this nut off here. Then I can lower down the whole assembly after I clip these wires. I can take this bracket off so I can install the new one. Yeah, we'll do that right now. More cobwebs. Nope, not 7/16, it's a half. Where did I put that half? I know I got it somewhere. Oh, it's loose. I didn't even need a wrench. Gotta save that nut. Never know when you're gonna need it. Let's see if we can get it out of here. Yeah, I should have clipped those wires. All right, got that piece of junk out of there. So let's take a look at this old thing. This whole thing's got mechanical limit switches. This is the one that stops it when you're closing. And over here, there's another one here. This stops it from opening too far. And we got a nice motor that I think has some copper in it. I'm gonna have to save that. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and off camera, I'm not gonna bore you with too much stuff, but off camera I'm gonna go ahead and disassemble this entire thing, save all the hardware, put it in my junk drawer, save the copper in that motor for my scrap bucket, and get things cleaned up to install this new garage door opener. A far cry from the old one, because of course I can operate it with my iPhone. All right, anyway, that's it for today. See you tomorrow.